Hi guys, welcome to a new location. It is 4 p.m. and I just arrived to my new destination, the small city of Campot in the south of Cambodia. I already checked into my hostel and today I'm just going to stroll around Campot, watch some beautiful French colonial buildings, soak up the atmosphere at riverfront and visit the night market. There are no real highlights here in the city itself, but it's mainly the area around Campot that make the city so popular. The best way to explore the area is by scooter. So tomorrow we rent a scooter and visit the Plantation, a pepper plantation. We will have a 2-hour guided tour to watch the process of the pepper, something Campot is known for. But for now, let's go back to the hostel, change my outfit and let's have a stroll around Campot. It is really hot today, 31 degrees, but I have a pool at the hostel. I stay at Wonders Hostel, the same hostel as the one in Sihanoukville. I pay €5.50 I think for one night. So stay for 2 nights and then I will leave to the coastal town of Kep, my last destination here in Cambodia before going to Vietnam. But in my next video I will still be here in Campot, but I'm going to visit the ghost town of Boor. You have the Boor National Park and there is a Boor hill station which is abandoned in 1972. You'll see more about that. It will be a fascinating video I think, so definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm ready to explore Campot and have my favorite football jersey on, Standard Liège. And you saw already some bits of the hostel that I'm staying in. It's a very nice hostel. Wonders, also Sihanoukville. The one in Sihanoukville is actually my favorite one so far in Southeast Asia. With the pool, good food, clean bathrooms, clean rooms. It was really perfect and also very cheap. So, and this one actually the same. Also a pool, also very cheap, clean rooms, clean bathroom. So yeah, what more can I wish for €5.50? So it's crazy. Let's check out this statue of farmers. So we're already here at the riverfront. Let's have a look. We also passed by some beautiful colonial buildings. Here we already see some cozy cafes, restaurants. Campot really has its charms. It's not busy, it's not overcrowded, it's, yeah. The fishermen are coming back with the catch of the day. This square is filled with street food stalls, a very nice and cheap way to have your lunch or dinner. Now let's go back to the riverfront to eat something there. It is the most cozy part of Campot. And there we have the Boor National Park. That's where we are going tomorrow afternoon after the Plantation and also the next video. So you won't see this in this video, but it's also going to be a very interesting experience. Also, the Khmer Rouge has an important role in the ghost town of Boor. We will see the ghost village with an abandoned church and an abandoned casino. We will go to a viewpoint 1,100 meters above sea level, so it's going to be a very nice view, I guess. And the route to the top of Boor Hill is also really nice to do with a scooter. And here you have Kampot beach. It's really nice to have a beach next to the river, and there's also like a beach bar there. I just see there's a 7-Eleven here. Now let's go a Monster if they have one, because that will taste so good now. Yes, they have one. So, got one. Now I'm going to sit here and enjoy the sunset. Ah, the best. So the locals as well as the tourists are just enjoying the sunset here on the beach of Campot. And as you can see, not many people, but that's just the charm of this city. It's peaceful, it's not overcrowded, it's perfect. Let's eat some Khmer food in Pana restaurant. It's very close, it's already there. In one of the French colonial buildings. And right in front of the river, so perfect. It is this one. You also have some Belgian beers. Hoegaarden Leffe. Hello. Yes, for me a small bottle of water. Yes, Angkor beer. And to eat chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice.
Yeah. Thank you. My first beer in Cambodia. Fried rice with chicken. I also ordered a dessert, chocolate mousse. It's my favorite dessert in Belgium. So I paid $8 for the food, it was very good. Now I'll go to the hostel and take a shower, go to bed. Tomorrow we'll visit the pepper plantations. So see you then. Good night. Bye bye. Good morning guys, I'm on my way to the Plantation, the pepper plantation. It's a 30-minute ride from Campot. Here we have the secret lake. So we're almost at the plantation, but we still have a little bit of time. So let me tell you more about the place we are going to visit today. The Plantation is a well-known pepper farm located 30 minutes outside of Campot and is famous for its high-quality pepper. The farm is situated in a picturesque area, as you can already see, that benefits from a unique climate and rich soil, what makes it perfect for cultivating pepper varieties, particularly the Campot pepper. At Le Plantation I will learn more about the traditional methods of pepper farming and even have a tasting session. The Campot pepper has gained international recognition and is often considered one of the best peppers in the world. Now let's go to Le Plantation. Here we are. So 50 minutes on time for the guided tour of 10 a.m. So the tour will take 2 hours and I paid $10 for the tour. It's I think very cheap. We will learn more about the process of the peppers and even have a tasting at the end. So this is the shop of the plantation. So we start our tour in the pepper plantation with our guide. It's a young woman who moved from Phnom Penh to Campot a few years ago to work here as a guide. We are with a small group of 5 people, which is perfect to get all the information. The first stop is a hut where a few women are working. Oh, you really smell it.
The next one they clean too, right? So we clean, we have a machine to clean.
The next stop is the factory itself. No cameras or phones were allowed here. We were given a tour of the entire building and had to put on a special suit. Just outside the building there were also a few women working in the open air because it was very hot in the factory.
The green color vegetable. And then they will take them. Campot pepper that we grow in the one, and to show you about the flower.
Okay.
On the same group, they will some red, or some will turn the red, or some time we don't let the flower grow, so we need to cut flower. So we just have any question? No? Oh, okay. So after that, everyone can spend time here in the pepper field, or take a picture, or you would like to take a group picture, I can take picture with you.
And from the whole bunch of channel, like the BB color, that's going to change the color for the red. And the white pepper and black pepper. So the black pepper, this one we just dry.
And the one that will show you is the green pepper. Cái phương trên đó không?
So here you have the 1-year-old Campot peppers. And here you have the 2 till 3 years old Campot peppers. Ah, the lemongrass smells so good. So here you have lemongrass, and there you have cinnamon. and now we'll have a spicy taste.
So when you smell this, more paprika. It will be paprika and garlic. And this one spicy citrus.
So I'm now here in the Spice Garden and I ordered a bottle of water and vanilla ice cream. So guys, it was a really interesting tour. I really liked it and I would also recommend it to visit the Plantation if you are here in Campot. I paid $10 for the guided tour and $4 for the ice cream and the jug of water. So definitely recommend it if you are here in Campot. I think it's the main attraction to do here. The area around Campot is really beautiful. Campot itself, you can stroll around for 2-3 hours, sit on one of the terraces, it's really nice to do. But yeah, Campot is overall a nice place to go to. Sadly enough, I couldn't film in the factory itself, but we had a very nice guide who explained everything to us. Also the visiting in the plantations, the spice garden, the tasting at the end, it was all really nice, and that only for $10. It's so cheap. And now I will go to the Boor National Park, but you will see that in my next video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Location, and I will see you again in another location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.